Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today I'll talk briefly about minerals. Minerals help regulate many bodily function and process. When you are taking multivitamin, make sure you take a vitamin that has a good amount of minerals in it. Minerals are very important for a lot of the processes in our body. Mineral helps maintain the acid-base balance and keep the pH neutral. Every mineral has a benefit, and I'm going to list some of the main benefit of each mineral. So potassium helps improve blood pressure, improves leg cramps. Sodium improves overall hydration. Copper improves your skin health, boosts collagen, and improves your iron level. Selenium improves your thyroid health and immunity. Chromium improves your blood sugar level, so ideal for diabetic patient. Iodine improves your overall thyroid health. So if you're on thyroid medication, you should take iodine and on selenium. Iron improves your hemoglobin level, which in turn improves your oxygen level and improves your energy. Ideal for somebody who has history of anemia or feeling tired. Manganese improves your blood glucose level. Calcium improves your muscle strength, muscle cramping, and bone health. Zinc improves your overall immunity. And magnesium, depending on what type of magnesium you are taking, it improves your sleep, improves your GI health, and helps you detox, improves the muscle cramps, and improves your overall energy. So there are a lot of benefits of taking and optimizing minerals. So make sure you're taking right multivitamin that has good amount of minerals. Here at MyFitMed, we do IV therapy with all these minerals going straight up IV, which is 100% absorption, to improve your overall performance and overall health.